Now we move to the next part of it, movable, fixed, and common, where they are used. Okay. If someone, now what is the movable thing? Basically, why we need it? When someone comes to you and asks you that I want to buy a property, what kind of property I will buy? For example, some person comes to you, you see the chart, you make the prediction that wow, this is such a good dasha period going on. You must buy some property, you must have a gain, you must buy something on Tuesday. Now the person will be, wow, that's so great. But people are so curious. They will ask you that, okay, I will buy some property that is good, but what kind of property I will buy? Now you will be like, there will be a property. I don't know what kind of property it is. So what Rishi did, Rishi again divided all the Rashis into further divisions. So they gave the characteristic to the Rashis. Movable, fixed, common, movable, fixed, common, movable, fixed, common. So if someone comes to you, you make the prediction that on Tuesday you will buy a property. What kind of property will it be? That you will be able to predict by these qualities. Okay. What does the movable sign represent? Movable signs are here Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. They are movable signs. So, if the planet which is representing the purchase of property is placed either in Aries, in Cancer, in Libra, or in Capricorn, will represent the person will buy an automobile. Only automobile, cars, plane, all the vehicles. Only automobile is a property which is movable. Keep it clear in your mind. Only automobile is the property which is considered as movable. Clear in your mind. Now, what if someone come to you to ask about job? I want to do a job. I am poor. I am without a job. I want to do a job. Now you say, okay, I can see the chart and in next month you will get a job. Now the person say, what kind of job will I get? You see the planet representing your job. The planet is saying that you will get the job. The planet which is giving the confirmation to get a job, if placed in a movable sign, it means the job will be related to travel. It can be a travel guide, tour guide. It can be someone who is moving continuously. There is a movement in the job profile. Is it clear? Everyone?
Yes.
From next class, all the webcam should be on, all the mic should be on. Okay? Next class. This is only for this class. I am leaving all of you. From next class, I need to see the human sitting there. Okay? Okay. The emojis job is really irritating sometimes in the class. Okay. Now, if the planet representing property purchase or confirmation of job placed in a fixed sign are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. Fixed sign are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. So if the planet representing purchase of property or okay. Don't write in between. When I start, then wait till I finish, then write. Okay. Yeah. It breaks the flow actually. Okay. If the planet representing purchase of property or confirmation of job is placed in a fixed sign, means Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, or Aquarius, this will represent purchase of some land, like property. So what kind of property it is? It won't be automobile at all. You won't buy automobile. You can clearly say the vehicle purchase is not there. But what is there? It can be some land. It can be agricultural land. It can be some, any kind of real estate like house, commercial building. If it is about job, it can be a desk job. Okay, it can be a desk job where you are just sitting and doing all the tasks all the time, sitting, the boring jobs. Okay, you are just sitting on the desk. You go at 10 in the morning to the office. You sit on a table, on a chair, and you open your computer or maybe open some file or something, and you keep working. 5 or 6 in the evening, you leave your office, go to your home. That kind of desk job are represented by the fixed sign. Okay. Now, what if it is the common sign? What are the common sign? Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. So if the planet representing property purchase or confirmation of job, if placed in Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, it will represent purchase of electronic items, purchase of jewelry, purchase of cosmetics, purchase of some dress or outfit or clothes. Or about the job, it can be a job where you are sitting at a place, but when you get the call, you go out. Like some postman is sitting in the office. If there is a mail, he has to or she has to go to deliver the mail. Courier vehicle, okay, courier people are also that. Ambulance are not running on the street all the time. They are fixed in the office, in the hospital. When there is emergency call, they move. Okay, firefighters, they are based in their station, they are not moving. But when there is fire, when there is emergency call, they go. Pizza delivery people or online that cab service, such people. Okay. Now, why it is in the common? Because they are stable as well as moving. They are doing both things. So electronic item, right now my laptop is on charging here. I am taking the class. If needed, I can immediately take it and I can go to the next room. I can go to the street or even to the roof. It is fixed, but it can also be movable. Jewelry is placed in your rack, in the house, in the wardrobe. But when you go out, you wear it and you are going out. Okay. So it has common. It is stable as well as moving. Now, about this, anyone has any question?
No.
Any question? Even the stupid ones are most welcome. No question, no doubt is stupid. Always remember. Anyone? All clear? Okay. Let's move ahead. Now there is another categorization. The one is signs are male and female. So Aries is a male sign, Taurus is a female sign. Same sequence, same pattern. Start from Aries, male, female, male, female, male, female, male, female, male, female, male, female. Simple. Aries is a male sign, Pisces will be female sign. Simple sequence we have to flow. First sign Aries is male, second sign Taurus is female, third sign is male. Okay, again the same sequence. Now there is another categorization you can see on this chart. Aries is a barren sign. Virgo is also a barren sign. Aries and Virgo are barren sign. Gemini, Sagittarius and Pisces are dual sign. Okay. Gemini, Sagittarius.
Sorry, what means barren?
I will explain. Here. Gemini, Sagittarius and Pisces are dual sign. Okay, so this is another categorization. Now let's learn what it means. Okay, so we see here Aries is a male sign. Taurus is a female sign. Now, where this information will be useful? Someone comes to you and asks you that I'm like pregnant, and I will obviously, if a woman is pregnant, she will give birth to a human child. But people are curious, will it be a girl or a boy? Now, what do you say to them? The planet representing childbirth, the planet giving the confirmation of childbirth, if placed in a male sign, the child will be male. If placed in a female sign, the child will be female. Okay. Another question comes, some